Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do, which is quite obvious, is log into Facebook. Then on the top right you see your profile icon. Click on it and make sure you logged into the your personal account that has or that is registered with your agency account, or in cases where you're trying to run ads for your clients, campaigns and all that, you can show them this step as well. So let them be in their own personal profile, come to this place and then click on the switch button, the buttons with the round arrows around them. It takes me to my old business page, and the same place on the top right, if I'm to click on the agency icon and scroll down, just the first option, professional dashboard, here you can see the insights and all that, not our concern, and you click on page access, invite people and all the stuff. Now two people already have access to this, and there are two types of access you can give to someone. We have the task access, which is someone who manages content, posts and all that, and we have the admin access. So if you're trying to import your client's page with a new business account you created for them, you need the admin access, which people with Facebook access, which the admin access is at the top. Right now I have no one under the tax access, and you can see this page is linked with this business account. So if you want to link a page with a business account, you need admin access. So you click add new at the top. When you click on the add new button, you see any actions and all that. Click on it. Then you can search the person on Facebook. Let's just use a random person on Facebook. Hold on. Yeah, let's go with this guy, a friend of mine. And here you can see that you give him content access, the messages to send message, community activity, ads, insights and all that. But now this is still partial access, even though it's under the first type of access. What you have to do is click allow this person to have full control. So anyone with full control, anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including you. So you have to be careful who you give the access. If you are the owner of the business account, you have to be careful who you give access to. And from here, you just click give access. It sends a message to them still on Facebook, and they just click on the notification icon and confirm confirm it, and then they will have full admin access to this. Do mind you though, because as it's stated here, they can remove you, give access to other people and delete the page as well. So once again, do be careful with who you give your access. And if you learned something from this, the least you can do is like this video and comment, so that YouTube will push this out and more people will be able to watch this and get the help that you just got. Hope to see you guys next time.